Now this beast behind me is the 25-inch Brodie Hall telescope. This is the biggest telescope for public use in Western Australia, and of course, we've got it! The big 25-inch mirror. This is what collects all the light and focuses all that light up to where the eyepiece is, just up here. This has been at the GDC for 15 years. It's actually gone through a refurbishment. As you can see, it's all nice and shiny and red. And we've got a new coating on the mirror, so the views through this are absolutely incredible. Now this telescope here is the 12-inch Meade Schmidt Cassegrain, the old LX200. Now this is what's known as a go-to telescope, because if you use this control panel down here and you type in coordinates or catalogue numbers or whatever and you hit the go-to button, this sucker will take you right to that object. We don't call this the Meade LX200, we refer to this one as Sagan, after my hero Carl Sagan. So Carl, this telescope's named after you. And here's another one of our telescopes. Now we've actually got 3 of these. These are the Celestron 11-inch CPC telescopes. Again, like the Meade, they are go-to telescopes. You use the keypad, you type in the coordinate or catalogue number, and it'll take you to the object. This particular one here goes by the name of Galileo. We've got another 2 ones named after Sir Edmund Halley, and then of course we've got a really old one that makes these strange clunking noises. We call that one Newton, after Sir Isaac Newton, because that telescope's a little bit eccentric and a bit odd, just like Sir Isaac Newton, who was a little bit eccentric and odd. We're not really sure if he made clunking noises, but wouldn't put it past him because he did invent calculus. This gold little beauty here is actually my own telescope, believe it or not. This is the Coronado Solar Telescope. Now, we don't use this at night for obvious reasons. We use this during the day because this is a dedicated solar telescope, and of course with this we observe the sun, that big ball of nuclear fire that graces our skies every day and keeps us warm and gives us sunburn and all sorts of other things. But with this telescope here we can see the fine structures on the surface of the sun. In fact, we've got a little tuner at the top here, not a tuna fish but actually a tuner that tunes the light frequencies that we tune into a specific wavelength called hydrogen alpha. And that shows us exquisite surface details of the sun, so we see things like filaments and the granulation on the sun, and the flow of the solar plasma along the magnetic field lines generated by these sunspots. So if you're ever up here during the day, make sure you get to have a look through this little puppy right here because it is amazing.